Yes, yes. How you guys doing?
Hey, it's Nigel and Jessica. I'm doing good. I'm exhausted.
Yes, we are.
Nigel and Jessica, we just want to say thank you
Yeah,
to
man.
Naples Vegan
Veg
Fest.
Yes.
Man, so wonderful. We had a great time, met so many awesome people. Saw our friends from another fest, the Watts guy, and had some food from Reggae Beats. Yum,
Yeah, man.
the jackfruit.
Taco.
Yes.
Yeah,
So we just want to
Yummy.
say thank you guys. Thanks to everyone who came out. And thanks to all of you guys who always support us and cheer us on from all over the world. It means everything to us.
Yeah, man. And thanks to all you guys who came here and, stopped by the booth and,
Here, let's roll
man.
around so
Thank
they
you,
can
Thank
see.
you so much.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry, don't get dizzy, guys, but,
Hey.
just wanted to turn it around real quick so you can see. That's what's going on out there in the back of me. You see. So there's a whole lot of vendors here. Lots of food, guys. Lots of amazing food and stuff. So, yeah, man.
Thank you.
you.
And
Yeah, man.
look for
it's a pleasure
us.
to be here.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, man.
Look for us on Wednesday at the Orlando Vegan Market in Orlando. So we're gonna go home, make a couple more products, and then
Yep, because
we're
we
gonna
run
see-
out.
Run it out.
So
Run it out.
you gotta go top it up, especially your bath bomb and your body butters and
I know,
stuff.
huh?
Your lip balm and all them nice stuff you got going on here.
Uh-huh.
Look at you, all crafty and stuff.
Oh, stop.
man.
Embarrassing
So
me.
anyway,
Okay, bye
I'm
guys.
not trying to make her blush too much.
Thank
All right,
you.
guys, take care. Love you guys and thank you for loving us.
Bye bye.